Muslims are divided. Sunni, Shia, different groups. But the Prophet ﷺ warned that division weakens the Ummah. Yet the Quran and authentic hadith show a path to unity, a way to strengthen our community and protect ourselves from those who exploit our disputes. Today, we'll see how centuries of disagreements can end, and how we can rise as one Ummah, strong and respected. Allah says in the Quran, "And hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together and do not become divided." Surah Al-Imran 3:103. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The believers in their mutual love, mercy and compassion are like a single body. If one part suffers, the whole body suffers." Sahih Muslim, Book 45, Hadith 85. This is not about Sunni or Shia, it's about all Muslims holding together. Unfortunately, disputes over minor differences have split Muslims. The Prophet ﷺ warned, "Do not fight one another, lest you be destroyed." Sahih Muslim, Book 32, Hadith 6267. History shows, oppressors like Yahud and external elite powers exploit our disunity. When Muslims fight among themselves, the Ummah becomes weaker, losing wealth, influence, and stability. Unity is the only way to protect our Ummah, economy, and religion. One God, the Quran, Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, common foundation for all Muslims. Respect differences. Avoid mocking or attacking fellow Muslims over sects. Quran warns, "O you who believe, avoid much suspicion. Indeed, some suspicion is sin." Surah Al-Hujurat 49:12. Cooperate on common goals. 215-245. Charity, education, social support, protecting the weak. Prophet ﷺ said, "The best of people are those who benefit others." Sahih al-Jami' as-Saghir, Hadith 1670. Avoid extremists and rumors. 245-315. Only follow authentic knowledge. Extremists exploit sectarian divides for power and influence, not truth. A united Ummah is strong, prosperous, and protected. Division weakens us and allows enemies like yahoos and manipulators to take advantage, including economically and socially. Muslims, the solution is clear. Respect differences. Focus on common beliefs. Work together on good deeds. Avoid internal fighting. Prophet ﷺ said, "A Muslim is a brother to another Muslim. He neither oppresses him nor humiliates him." Sahih Muslim, Book 32, Hadith 6263. If we unite, the Ummah can be strong, respected, and prosperous. If we remain divided, we weaken ourselves. And history has shown that division is exploited by those who seek our loss. Share this message. Remind your brothers and sisters. Be the change Allah loves.